Good early afternoon, 1:18 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on the East Coast in the United States of America. I'm XRP Future Millionaire, and I reside in the great state of Michigan on this dark and cloudy and upper 40-degree temperature here. I'm out walking my son, and it's starting to sprinkle. You can hear his little toy in the background, pushing him in this stroller thingy. So getting some fresh air out here, even though it's a little colder, so I got him all blanketed up. But I wanted to give you guys a quick update here. So what we're looking at with the total crypto market cap is we've had a 20 cross to 50, which is bearish. And we're about to cross the 100 here. So I expect one more move down once we break the 200 day, and that's all we're waiting on. Right now we're being supported by the 200 day, and once it breaks that, I anticipate it's probably going to come back down and retest the symmetrical triangle. And that's right at the end of the symmetrical and also where the uptrend is. So I think that would be a fair spot to say, hey, this is going to come back here. The 4 hour is coming up to the rejection line on the RSI and stochastic. So I think that's what we're heading towards. I mean, there's no reason to sugarcoat it. Bitcoin's up 1% or 43,613. But it looks like all we're doing is retesting after we broke back into the symmetrical. That was the last thing you wanted to do. Now that we broke back within it, we're proving the confluency of this pattern. And now when we look at it from a shorter time frame, this is still in the 4 hours. But if we break it down into the 30-minute, you can see we're coming up here. And now the symmetrical is going to be resistance up here. And we don't even have a lot of volume. We don't have a lot of kickback. So I think it's going to get rejected like we were talking. I think that's pretty accurate what I drew. It might not even get up there. So that's what I'm looking at. And then it's a matter of, does 42,000 hold, or are we going to go all the way back to 40,000 area? So that's what I'm seeing with Bitcoin and the total crypto market cap. Both look very bearish. Bitcoin in the 4 hour time frame, if you use the MA lines, I mean, you're still crossing the 20 cross to 50 and now the 100. The major move down is when it crosses the 200 because it's a bigger move down. That's why I think this is going to be a bearish continuation pattern to the downside. I think the total crypto market cap is also speaking to it. And all of these that are having these pedestrian bounces, XRP being one of them, I think our cap is 80 cents right now because that's where the 20-day is in the 4 hour time frame. I think it's going to be used as resistance, and unfortunately, I think we're going to come down with the whole market, and XRP will probably likely find itself at 68 cents. That's my gut feeling, so that's what we're looking at. That's what we're feeling.